This video will demonstrate how to sign up for an account on Local 38's SurveyMonkeyApply application portal. First, navigate to ata38.smapply.ca. Once you're on this page, you can click the Register button. You want to register as an individual. No ATA member has a pre-set up account. You will have to register for a brand new account if you've not applied through this portal before. First, begin by entering your name. And then insert the email address that you prefer to use when communicating about your applications with Local 38. You will need to create a password that meets the password characteristics described here. Once you've done that, click the I'm not a robot box and create an account. And that's it. Once you've created the account, you will receive an email asking you to complete your registration, and then you can begin your application.